Ndewonu. Welcome everyone to Igbo with Mona's channel. In today's lesson, we'll be learning the human body parts in Igbo language. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido? First of all, body part in Igbo is called Akụkụ ahụ. Akụkụ ahụ. Akụkụ ahụm. My body part. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. 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 Ihu or iru in some dialects. Ihu, iru. Nku anya or iku anya. Nku anya, iku anya. Ntutu anya. Ntutu anya. 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 Egbugbere ihu. Egbugbere ihu or egbugbere iru. Ntị. 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 You have to be very careful when pronouncing this ntị because it has similar spelling with another body part that we would learn about very soon. Agba. 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 Ntị. Ntị. This is that body part I was telling you that you should be careful when pronouncing ntị. Do not confuse it with ntị. Ntị is your cheek, while ntị is the ear. Imi. Imi. Ọnụ. Ọnụ. Egbugbere ọnụ. Egbugbere ọnụ. Do you still remember the body part that sounds similar like egbugbere ọnụ? Very good. That is egbugbere ihu, the forehead. Ka anyị gaa n'iru. Let's continue. Ire. Ire or ile. Ile, depending on your dialect. Eze. Eze. Onu or olu. Now, if you look clearly, you will notice that it looks like another body part. Onu. Onu. But they are not the same. This one doesn't even have a dot under the O and U, so they are not the same. Onu is the mouth, while onu or olu is your neck. Do you understand? Ka anyị gaa n'iru. Let's proceed. Ubu. 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 Shoulders. Akpụ obi. Akpụ obi. Ara. Ara. Some people also call it ala, just a difference of R and L. Afọ. Afọ. Otubo or otubelu. Otubo. Azụ. Azụ. You have to be very careful when pronouncing this azu, because if you pronounce it somehow else, then it will be azu, which means fish. So be careful, okay? Aka, aka, ikpere aka, ikpere aka, nku aka or ogwe aka, nku aka, ogwe aka, mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka, obo aka, obo aka, obo aka, mbọ aka, mbọ aka. Notice the difference. Mkpịsị aka is your fingers, while mbọ aka is the fingernails. Fingernails. Ukwu, ukwu. Also, you have to be careful when pronouncing this ukwu, because it also has similar spelling. Similar spelling and slightly same pronunciation with another body part that we would see very soon. Mpata ụkwụ, the laps or the thigh. Mpata ụkwụ. Ike, ike, ike. If you mispronounce this, it will be ike, which means strength. So be careful when pronouncing that also. Ike. Amụ, amụ. Ọtụ, ọtụ. Ụkwụ, ụkwụ. Do you remember that body part I told you has the same spelling with oko? Yes, it is ukwu. Ukwu, your waist. While okwu is your legs, your leg or your legs. Obo oko, obo oko, similar to obo aka, which is your palms. Obo oko for the feet. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Let me know in the comment section if there are other parts of your body that you would like to learn what they are being called in Igbo language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. If you haven't yet done so, click on the subscribe button. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever a new video is released, you will be the first to know. That's it for now. Come here. See you later.